Okay, my friends, and I am back. And now I want to talk about something else. I want to talk about layers. I'm going to open a story here. I want to just open this one, and you will understand what I'm talking about when I say layers. One thing that you're going to encounter as you start creating your own story, for instance, here's one that I created 2 hours ago. This one didn't take long, actually. One thing you're going to encounter is you're going to start populating your page with all kinds of characters and images, even text, and even banners, right? But guess what? Something's going to happen to you at one point. You're going to put a picture of somebody, and you will want that picture later on to be placed in another position. In other words, you might want that picture to be placed in front or behind that person. So it's very simple. Let's take this example, for instance. I'm going to take this person here who is drinking coffee, right? Let me tell you something. Originally, I introduced this person right here before I introduced this other person right here. And the effect was the following. Let me show you. Let me reverse to where I was before. I'm going to open my layers here. And I will, this is what it looked like. Okay. You will totally understand what I'm talking about. So this person here was behind this tiny person, which makes no sense. Now you're going to be encountering this problem as you start creating your stories. For instance, you will want somebody to be hiding behind a tree. But guess what? If you introduce the tree before you introduce the person hiding, the tree is going to remain behind. So you are very intuitively and very rapidly understand how to use layers. Now you see this person now is positioned here. It doesn't make sense because let's imagine that I want this person to slightly hide this character in the background. Well, that wouldn't work. So what do? I'm going to click on change layering, and you can see this person is right here. Well, all I have to do is to change the positions. It's very simple. It's that simple. And now, guess what? She is right in front of it. Isn't that fun? So this was working with layers. I hope you enjoyed this tip. And I will see you next to talk about text. How do we introduce text? How do we change the text? How do we move it? And how do we create captions? Okay, talk to you shortly.